Moving on to our very last problem. We have the problem of a key falling from a bridge. This is actually very much like the challenge problem that we did in class. And so I'm going to draw a boat like this. And I have a key here. And it's going to fall into the boat. Now, of course, before we had gravity, now we know that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. But in this problem, on your second exam, I gave you an acceleration of 10. And the boat starts at 0. It winds up at 12. And the key starts at 45 and winds up at 0. So what I can do is I can actually set up an equation for the key that looks like this. Y equals 1/2 times 10. And we actually say that downwards is positive direction. So 1/2 times 10 times t squared in this particular problem, and only for this problem, plus 0t plus 0. And so we basically say that here 45 equals 5 times t squared, because y is 45. And so we're going to simplify and get t equals 3 seconds. Now we're going to find out what the speed of the boat needs to be to move from 0 to 12 in 3 seconds. So for the boat, we're going to have x equals v naught t plus x naught. And that ends up being 12 equals v of the boat times 3 seconds plus 0. So in other words, v of the boat ends up being 4 meters per second. So that's it for the second exam. These solutions are pretty much it for that. And I'm going to move on to your third part of this semester in the next set of videos.